Hi guys, I just finished my booth. It actually only took me 3.5 hours. Usually it takes a lot more. So I'm very proud with myself. But that said, I really wanted to give you guys a tour for those of you who can't join me in person. If you're in Dallas, the other art fair starts tonight. It's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you have a lot of time to come by. I have free tickets if you want to email me or just show up. There's going to be a lot of works that we've never had on sale before. If you're interested in any of my recent pieces, they're going to be on my website. I hope that a lot of them sell. Wish me luck, and let's go take a look at the booth. Welcome to booth 68. This is my booth, and this is the first show I've ever done that allows art prints, so I'll be able to feature those as well, which is very exciting. You may recognize some pieces like Planted in Patriarchy. It has yet to find a home. I do get it, it's very big, but I wonder in Texas, since homes are bigger here, if we're gonna be able to have someone purchase it finally. You haven't seen this piece yet. I've called her Sophia, if you're looking for her on the website, and that's a new piece that I made just last week. I love how Lost at Sea looks here with the frame and everything. I saw this frame and I just knew it was gonna be perfect inside. This is also my first time with Hair of the Dog. I love having this teal frame. It really brings out the purple. And this piece is just so pop arty. I love how it came in the frame. There's a couple pieces with the Vegas reference, so I think that this will do really well here. As well as references of oil, which they seem to love here as well. I decided to call this the food chain, and I think it works perfectly, and this brown frame really complements the lion. This piece I ended up calling Building a Burden, and I can't believe how well it all got stuck down. It looks like a print, honestly. It was so well done, the way that I was able to get it all on there. This piece I made last year, it's called The Ten of Cups. And this one was also from last year, it's called The Myth of Chasing Hearts. Here we have 1,000 on red. I named it after the fact my partner went to Vegas for his bachelor, and I told him to bet 1,000 on red, and he ended up doing it and winning. This piece was made for the prompt jelly, and I've ended up calling it Milky Way. I thought that was clever. This one we have is the Nestled Neighborhood, and I think this frame really complements it. I could just see it hanging in a little forest cabin. This one I've called Lost Connection. This one in the frame just turned out so well, and so did this one, Doubts of Spring. I love the little edge of gold. It looks so good with it. And this one is a new one you guys haven't seen. Castle in the Sky, Teach a Fish to Fly are both ones that I made off camera. These ones I made a couple weeks ago, and they are on the website as well. I really like them. I hope someone buys a couple of them. I think they go really well together. Now on this little wall we have Birds of Technology. We still haven't purchased them. I would love to see these go as a set. I think they're so powerful together. I just need to straighten out these frames a little bit, but I love a deeper look at these. They go so well together. I would love to make a couple more of these. Just below these ones we have the Bikes and the Bees. This piece I thought I lost and I found it. It's my second largest piece I've ever done. So if you're interested in seeing any of these pieces, head to flansella.com and you can purchase any of them there. Thank you so much for supporting my art and taking a look, and I'm really excited for this show. The neighbors around me seem incredible, and just by looking through the hallways, there seems to be a lot of really great artworks available. So I'll definitely do a tour of the full show. Wish me luck.